Hello, everyone. I'm Madison, and welcome back to another episode of English Journey with Madison. Before we start, let me ask you something. Have you ever listened to a native English speaker and thought, wow, how did they speak so smoothly? If yes, then today's episode is going to change the way you learn English forever. But hey, before we dive in, could you please give this episode a like? It really helps more learners find this podcast, and it makes my day too. Thank you so much. Now, let's talk about something truly powerful, the secret power of chunks in English. So, what are chunks exactly? Well, chunks are groups of words that often go together. Instead of learning single words, we learn them as a package. For example, instead of learning by and the way separately, we learn the whole phrase. By the way, that's a chunk. Another example, I don't think so. You don't need to translate it word by word. You just remember it as one unit, one idea, one chunk. When you start learning in chunks, your English starts to sound more natural, more fluent, and more confident. And the best part? You stop wasting time thinking about grammar all the time. Let me tell you a little secret. When native speakers talk, they don't think about grammar rules. They don't stop to think, should I use past perfect or present continuous here? No, they just use chunks, ready-made phrases that come out automatically. For example, think about how you say things in your native language. You don't build every sentence word by word. You just know what sounds right, right? That's because your brain remembers patterns, not single words. In English, chunks are those patterns. They help your brain connect ideas faster and speak without translating. Your brain loves shortcuts. When you learn single words, your brain has to build sentences from zero every time. That takes energy and time. But when you learn chunks, your brain already has small sentence templates ready to use. Let me give you an example. If you learn the chunk, it depends on, then in a real conversation, you can instantly say, it depends on the situation. It depends on the weather. It depends on how I feel. See? You don't have to think about depends on or the grammar. The structure is already there. You just plug in the rest. This is how native speakers talk so fast and so naturally. They are not faster thinkers, they just use more chunks. Here are some powerful chunks you can start using today. By the way, to add something in a conversation. By the way, did you finish your homework? 2. As far as I know, to show what you believe. As far as I know, he's coming tomorrow. 3. You know what I mean? To check understanding. It's really cold today, you know what I mean? 4. At the end of the day, to summarize an idea. At the end of the day, we just want to be happy. 5. I'm not sure, but to sound polite and natural. I'm not sure, but I think he's from Canada. If you start using these chunks, people will instantly notice how natural your English sounds. Now, the question is, how do you actually learn chunks? Here's a simple step-by-step plan. Step 1. Listen and read a lot. Whenever you hear something that sounds natural, pause and write it down. Don't just write single words, write the whole phrase. Step 2. Repeat it out loud. Your mouth needs to get used to saying those words together. For example, say, I don't think so, 10 times. Slowly, then faster. Soon, it will become automatic. Step 3. Use it in real life. Try to use the chunk the same day. You can say to your friend, I don't think so, or write it in a message. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes in your memory. Step 4. Review and recycle. Every week, look back at your list and use them again in new sentences. Your goal is not to memorize. It's to make them part of your active English. Let's be honest. One of the biggest fears English learners have is, what if I make a mistake? But when you use chunks, you're using patterns that are already correct and natural, so you don't have to worry about grammar mistakes all the time. Also, when you know many chunks, you have ready phrases for any situation. For example, when you need time to think, let me think for a second. When you agree, that's so true. When you disagree politely, I see your point, but when you want to end a topic, anyway, let's move on. With these ready-made chunks, conversations become easier and smoother. You feel more confident, and your partner feels more comfortable talking with you. Let's do a quick speaking exercise. Repeat after me. I'll say a few chunks, and you can say them out loud, even if you're alone. Ready? By the way. As far as I know. It depends on. At the end of the day. You know what I mean? Nice! You just practiced 5 powerful chunks that you can start using right now. When I started learning Spanish, I used to memorize thousands of words, but when I tried to speak, I got stuck. Then I started learning chunks like ¿sabes qué? Or por supuesto. Suddenly, I could speak without thinking too much, and the same will happen for you. Learning chunks will make you sound more natural, help you remember phrases faster, and make your conversations more enjoyable. You'll stop translating in your head and start thinking in English. You can find chunks everywhere, in songs, movies, YouTube videos, and even this podcast. Whenever you hear something useful, pause the video and say, that's a good chunk, and write it down. For example, from today's episode, you've already learned chunks like, let's be honest. The best part is, it depends on. All these are ready-made building blocks for your English. So don't just learn English, collect English. Collect chunks like little treasures and use them every day. Remember, words are like single puzzle pieces. Chunks are like full puzzle sections. They help you see the picture faster. If you focus on chunks, your grammar will improve naturally, your speaking will flow, and your confidence will grow. So next time you listen to English, don't just ask, what does this word mean? Ask, what's the chunk here? That small change will make a big difference. Thank you so much for listening today. I hope you enjoyed learning about the secret power of chunks in English. If you found this episode helpful, please give it a like. It means a lot. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss a new episode. Oh, and one more thing, you can find a free PDF with today's vocabulary list and all the example chunks right below this video. Make sure to download it and start using them today. This was Madison from English Journey with Madison. And remember, don't learn words, learn chunks. See you next time. Bye.